Tamica from Sister Saving You Cents, and welcome back, Cent Savers. Guys, it is 5:30. It's Mom's birthday, so happy birthday, Mom. Y'all, we are at Walgreens this week. Y'all, it's been a slow week. At Walgreens, Lord, hold on, I forgot. Welcome. If you're new here, welcome. I am Tamica, one or two sisters that run this channel. There's also Cindy. We do videos 4 days a week. Monday is Walmart, Tuesday is Target, Wednesday is Walgreens, and Friday is Walmart. Okay, so welcome if you're new here. All right, so back to what I was saying. It's been a dry week at Walgreens. It's not been any free oral care this week, which is definitely kind of different. And y'all, I haven't really been able to do a pickup order because every time I try to do a pickup order, half of my order was out of stock. So no pickup order. We're going to go in store. We're going to go over some things that I did in store. I did find a couple of clearance finds. And I'm actually heading back to Walgreens today, guys, so we might have some more deals. I don't know. But it's very slow. We do have some things. A lot of deals I put on this week involves rolling Walgreens cash, y'all, because to get the better deal, if you have Walgreens cash or register rewards, or you're not using a booster, this is, decent scenarios I put together for y'all to get some stuff done. So we are going to head in store. I'm going to show you what I got. We'll head back to the couch. I do have one deal I have to go over, and maybe more, since I'm going to head back in Walgreens in just a few minutes. But y'all, it's just one of those weeks at Walgreens. I did end up using my $20 when you spend $4 in Walgreens cash, and I did that yesterday because that's when it expires. I did go in store. I also used a $10 booster, so I had a free in-store order. But that was just some laundry care that I did, and I'll show you that, and Old Spice deodorant. Now, they do have a new three-day booster. That is, mine is spend $50, get $12 in Walgreens cash. And then we have another one that's sneaky peeking for next week, which is $10 back when you spend $25. So let me know down below what y'all got, what kind of boosters you're working with from now, and stuff like that, because that 20 off of 40 is gone. All right, y'all, let's go in store and get these deals, and then we'll come back and talk about this laundry care deal and anything else I might have found once I head in again. All right, guys. Okay, guys, the first deal is on this Olay Gentle Foam and Facing Cleanser, priced at $6.79. You're going to use this $2 off of a digital coupon. That'll make it $4.79. You're going to get back $3 in register rewards, making the final price just $1.79. Okay, guys, the next deal is on the Clorox bleach. This is the 43 ounce only. Price 2 for $8. You're gonna buy 2, pay $8. You're gonna submit to Swagbucks for $6 back on 2, making them just $2 or $1 each. Okay, guys, the next deal is on Old Spice men's deodorant. It's 2 for $13 this week, but you're gonna buy 3 for $19.50. You're gonna use this 5 off of 3 Walgreens digital coupon. You're going to pay $14.50. You're going to get back a $5 register reward. That would make a total of $11.50. Then you're going to submit over to Ibotta for 3 $2 rebates, making it $3.50 for 3, or just $1.16 each. Okay, guys, the next deal is on Scott Comfort Plus paper towels or toilet paper. They're both priced at $5, but they're buy one get one 50% off this week. So 2 would be $7.50. We do have $1 digital for the toilet paper, so I'll get at least 1 toilet paper. It will make it $6.50 for 2, or just $3.25 each. Okay, guys, the next deal is on Game products this week. They are 4 for $16. I picked up one of each product. I have 3 $1 digitals, so that would make it $13. Now, I rolled $10 in Walgreens cash, paid $3, making them just 75 cents each. So that's a great deal you could do if you have Walgreens cash or register rewards. Okay, guys, the next 2 deals are the same promo. So the first one is a Dawn Power Wash, priced at $4.99. You could buy 4 for $19.96. We have a $2 digital. You would pay $17.96. You get back $4 in register rewards, which would make it $14.96. Now, if you're not using a booster, roll $10 in Walgreens cash, it would make it $4.96, or just $1.24 each. Now, the other deal in this promotion is the Dawn Easy Squeeze. They're $3.99. You could buy 4 for $15.96. You would get back the $4 register reward, which would make it $11.96. And I would roll $10 Walgreens cash For that deal, as long as you have no booster, it will make them $1.96 or just 49 cents each. Okay, guys, the next deal this week is on Arm & Hammer. This is the detergent packs or the fragrance boosters, priced at $7.49. When you buy one, you get 2 free, so all 3 would total you just $2.49 each. No coupons needed, and you can pay with Walgreens cash or register rewards. Okay, guys, for the next deal, we were looking for the Old Spice Champion body wash. As you can see, we are totally out. But you're going to look for whatever body wash that has a Ibotta rebate on it in your store or in your area. So if we picked up the Champion, we would pick up 3 at $7, so that would be $21. We're going to use a $2 and a $3 Walgreens digital coupon. We will pay $16. We're going to get back a $5 register reward. Then we'll get back $9 from Ibotta, $3 for each one. It will make the final cost $2 for 3 or just 67 cents each. What a great deal, guys. Okay, guys, I wanted to mention this week that the Walgreens toilet paper 4-pack is only $1.99, so not a bad deal if you need some toilet paper. Okay, guys, I am back home on the couch. I didn't find nothing but a couple clearance finds at Walgreens. And I'm going to go over this laundry deal and how I did it. But the first thing I found was these Lindt mini pralines. Y'all, it's real shiny. Okay. This is the barcode right there. It was on clearance for 99 cents. These are not expired to September the 9th. So I thought this was a great gift for somebody who likes stuff like this. This is Lindt. Y'all, I don't know why it's so shiny. But anyway, found that. And then I found these Oreos that kids already got into. These golden Oreos that are $2.79 on clearance. Normally, like, I don't know what it is, y'all, at Walgreens. I don't buy Oreos from there. So $2.79 was not a bad deal. So I picked it up. Or whatever. Okay, so y'all, when I was in my store this afternoon, there were people marking down a lot of makeup. So I'm thinking keep your eye out if you go to the store for makeup deals, coupons, and Ibotta rebates, but more coupons and makeup deals. A lot of things was on getting marked down as I was in there. But y'all, so just make sure you check and back if you go, you know, today or tomorrow or this weekend or whatever before the sale goes off, or even after. Make sure you check all your makeup clearance because they were marking a lot of things down. But y'all ain't have time to wait. Okay, so we have a laundry care deal this week. It's Tide, Bounce, Downy, and Tide detergent, Tide Pods, Bounce, and Downy are all $5.49. When you buy 4, you get a $5 register reward. So I picked this up the other day. So I got 1 Tide liquid, I got 2 Tide Pods, and I got 1 of the Downy, priced at $5.49. Now, I made a couple mistakes. One thing is I did not clip my dollar coupon, so there should be a $1 digital for that. There's a $1 digital for this, and then there's a $1 digital for this, y'all. I'm not gonna pop up the coupons. But there was also a $1 digital for the Bounce dryer sheets, and I forgot both of those, y'all. I don't know. So you're looking for 4 different digital coupons. You would pick up 4 different items total if you want to use all 4 of the digital coupons. I don't know what I was doing, but it's all good. So what I did is I paid a little bit more, but you would pay $17.96. You would get back a $5 register reward, so that would make it $12.96. What I would do is roll $10 in Walgreens cash. As long as you're not using a booster, that would make it $2.96 for all 4 of these, or 74 cents each. So hopefully, guys, some of these ideas, like I said, no pickup order this week. I did a huge pickup order, guys, and I think I ordered about 10 things, and they only had half of my pickup order. So I definitely went in store. I called customer service, canceled the order, and went in store. When stuff is out of stock, it will mess up your money, y'all. We've seen me do this in the past, so I immediately canceled the order. So I could go in store and get my Walgreens cash. Also, I want to mention that several of the P&G products, and I think this may be one of them. This deal, the Gain 4 for $6, and then the Tide Simply. The Tide Simply this week is on sale for $3.49. Now we do have 2 digitals that will make them $3, but all of those products are on a promotion, and online when you buy 20, you'll get back $5, and when you spend 20, you'll get back $5 in Walgreens cash. Now you can do that deal with a booster, but you cannot pay with Walgreens cash. So be on the lookout if you can, put some stuff together. I tried to put some stuff together, but the problem is my store did not have everything online, and in store it's not doing that. It's not giving a $5 Walgreens cash. So definitely check online. Look underneath the products. You will see where it says spend 20, get a $5, get $5 in Walgreens cash, and you might can come up with a good deal for some of these laundry products. All right, guys, that's all I got for you this week. Please go back and watch Target Tuesday's video. Please head over to Sister Sensible Life and like over there and watch whatever videos we got posted, guys. Hope y'all have a great day, and we'll see you Friday for Walmart. Y'all have a good one. Bye, guys.